Quick reading for January the 13th to January the 14th. Sagittarius, so we have the World card, the Ten of Swords, and the Eight of Pentacles. Siguro itong misunderstanding na ito last year pa, no? Yung challenges na ito na hindi kayo nag-uusap, walang pansinan, pinagdaanan na ng Pasko at Bagong Taon could be. Pero kasi ang nakikita natin dito, baka meron tayong assumptions kasi na ito na yung tapos, no? Parang my person probably move forward, kinalimutan na ako, or probably ikaw, pinangako mo sa sarili mo na hindi ko na i-open yung sarili ko dito sa taong ito. But here we are again, working on things na probably, sige sabihin natin kahit hindi tayo, maging kayo uli. Pero a few numbers of you are working on maging kami uli, okay? Umpisahan natin dun sa mga hindi muna na parang, sige, no, I'm going to move forward without the baggages. So it felt like, for all time's sake, sige na, no, pinapatawad na kita and let's be civil. Doon naman sa mga gustong ayusin pa, it felt like this might be a hard work for the both of you, but at least nakikita yung effort na gusto pang ipagpatuloy. This is your quick reading, Sagittarius, for January the 13th to January the 14th.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yelling the stars.